What is going on, guys? So today I'm getting the old exhaust off, replacing it with the new exhaust. Some of you may have heard in that last video where I like the cherry bomb, where I did the revs at different RPMs, like a clicking noise coming from the engine. Surprisingly, nobody commented on it, but that was a pulley, my idler pulley. So when I took the air conditioner off, I routed the ribbed part of the belt over this, which was a smooth pulley, because when I rerouted it, it had to go a different way. And come to find out, I decided to replace the pulley with a ribbed one today, and the noise went away. So that was the issue, and I think it's because the belt was sticking up too high and it was rubbing. And so with the ribbed pulley, it insets a little bit, and I think that kind of took care of that rubbing issue. But anyways, I got the car jacked up, just unbolted the catback from where it connects to the X pipe there that they put in. So I'm going to take those bolts out and then remove the rest of this. Alright, so we got the old exhaust off, and I just wanted to show you guys how crappy this was. You can see how bad it's rusting out, just chipping off. But I mean, you can see there's like right here, there's a hole. I'm sure there's more, but those are just ones I noticed off the bat. So glad to be getting rid of this. Got the new mufflers here lined up, the Flowmasters. So we're about to finish this install and get those in there. All right, guys. So long story short, it's been a couple days since the last section of this video, because when I went to put the exhaust together, the end pipe and the outside of the muffler part were the exact same size. There was no expansion, so I could put that pipe into that one. So I had to take it to a muffler shop down the street. They charged me $10, fixed both sides. So we're good to go. So now I'm going to throw this on, and next part we'll see how it looks and do a startup. All right, everyone, here we go. I might be getting, after looking at this, getting some new rubber insulators to hang the exhaust on, because my car didn't have any, and so I just went and got some at O'Reilly, and these are a little long. The exhaust is hanging a little low. I kind of want it to be like more up next to the bumper instead of like sagging where it is. And this driver's side is a little bit lower than the passenger side, which it might be kind of hard to see. It's not by much, but it is a little bit. But overall, it looks all right. The flat black paint got a little scratched up as I was putting it on, just because I had so many issues trying to get the fitment right. And it sucks doing this under a car that's on jack stands. It'd be much nicer to do on a lift. But I'll let you guys kind of take a look underneath here. You can see the Flowmasters there. They hang a little low. They're kind of just a little bit crooked, but whenever I get the headers and X-pipe on, I might just have them guys straighten them out a little bit. But not too bad. It looks like that's going to be the lowest hanging part of the vehicle now, is those mufflers. And I'm thinking that once I get new insulators, it'll kind of raise those up a little bit. I might actually get new insulators where the muffler's mounted back there, just because those are a little old and they're kind of sagging a little bit. Maybe that might tighten it up a little, but I'll go ahead and do a startup and see how it sounds.